Hey everyone, this is Cindy Emmy, and please excuse the mess. I just got finished beading and packaging orders for the day, and I haven't put all my supplies up yet, but I went to go take some trash from beading to the trash can, and I saw this package in front of the door, and I was shocked to see it was my order from Canada. I hadn't forgotten about it, but I originally ordered this to do a test knit, which is going to be for me, and I am going to do it, but I ordered it a while back, and because of the coronavirus, it took a lot longer than I've ever gotten anything from Canada before. So I started the test knit in yarn I got from my local yarn store for my mom. So yeah, all that's to say is that I was really shocked to see this. I'm really excited. It is from Rose Hill Yarns, and I think it had something to do with tulips, but it's been a couple weeks, so I don't remember, and I'm excited to see. So let us open this up so that I can, oh, hold on, maybe I don't need to do that. Is there oh, there's a pull. All right, I like this. Ooh. So compact. This is just like really nicely packed. I love Rose Hill Yarns. I've always wanted to buy it, but buying from outside the country, even though if it's Canada, is still quite expensive. So I wanted to get, oh, there's a nice little note. Okay, let's see. Ooh, so it's got a pink shiny thing. Ooh, I got Pineapple Groove Soak. This is my favorite soak, is the pineapple one. Aww, such a nice note from the Dyer Robin. Alright, oh, I love their little stickers. Okay. I have also decided that if this yarn works out well, I'm going to buy myself another couple skeins for my birthday. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord have mercy. Wow. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. See if you can get the tag. Tiptoe Through the Tulips. Oh my word, these are I can't even, I don't, I love these. Oh my word, they're so gorgeous. Oh my word, look at the delicate speckling and just the, oh my word. Oh, my mom's gonna be so jealous her yarn isn't as gorgeous as this. Oh, I mean, when you see things on the internet, they're usually, they're pretty nice in person usually, but I've never gotten skeins that were just so on point with their pictures. I mean, wow. I'm trying to find words, but my brain is just stuck on, oh my word. I just love the pale yellows, and man, this is gonna be a pretty sweater. Oh my word. I honestly, I have no idea what to say. These are just, holy moly, I'm totally buying my birthday present from here. Oh my word. I mean, seriously. This is just have no words. This is by far like the most gorgeous yarn I've ever touched in my life. Wow, I can't come up with anything else other to say about it. I mean, my brain is just, I just can't stop staring. I probably should just cut off the video because I'm not going to be able to come up with words probably for hours. So this has been Cindy Emmy with an unboxing of the most gorgeous yarn I've ever seen in person. Rose Hill Yarns. Wow. I have no words.